Chapter 8 Doha Ashtak. Hello, students.
Hello, teacher.
Students, you know that there is an invaluable treasure of dohe, that is, couplets, in our Hindi language literature. Dohe is a short verse. Many old Hindi poets have written poems in this verse. From this dohe, we get various practical lessons. With the help of dohe, we introduce people about the behavior, qualities, nature, ethics, etc. of our life. Students, today I will tell you some dohe selected by Kabir ji, Tulsidas ji, and Rahim ji. Before that, let me give you a small introduction about these poets. First of all, listen to the introduction of Kabir ji. Kabir ji is a poet of 15th century. Kabir ji was a great saint. He has reprimanded Hindus and Muslims for their mistakes and has exhorted both of them to live together. Second, Tulsidas ji was a famous follower of Ram and a poet of the 16th century. Tulsidas ji has written a famous book called Ramcharitmanas. Many dohe of Tulsidas ji are world famous. Third, Rahim ji. Rahim ji's full name is Abdur Rahim Khan Khana. Rahim ji was very generous and experienced. Rahim ji has written very beautiful dohe in Hindi. So come on, students. Today I will tell you some dohe selected by these great poets. All of you listen carefully and recite the dohe with me.
Yes, teacher.
Students, first of all, we will memorize and understand the dohe of the poet Kabir.
बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर। बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर। पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर। कबीरा, फल लागे अति दूर।
साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुभाए। साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुभाए। सार सार को गही रहे, थोथा देई उड़ाए। कबीरा, थोथा देई उड़ाए।
माखी गुड़ में गड़ी रहे, पंख रह्यो लिपटाई। माखी गुड़ में गड़ी रहे, पंख रह्यो लिपटाई। हाथ मले और सिर धुने, लालच बुरी बलाई। कबीरा, लालच बुरी बलाई।
Students, now we understand this dohe. Look at first dohe.
बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर। पंथी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर।
Through this dohe, the poet Kabir ji has explained that only being high is not important. Though the date palm grows very high, it is useless because its fruits are too high to catch them easily and travelers cannot rest under it. Students, do you understand this dohe?
Yes, teacher.
Now, let's understand the second dohe.
साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुभाए। सार सार को गही रहे, थोथा देई उड़ाए।
Students, through this dohe, a gentleman's nature should be like a winnowing basket. A winnowing basket keeps clean grains and files away the waste. In this way, A gentleman should grasp the good and leave out useless talks. Students, did you understand this dohe? Now understand the third dohe of Kabir ji.
माखी गुड़ में गड़ी रहे, पंख रह्यो लिपटाए, हाथ मले और सिर धुने, लालच बुरी बलाई.
Students, through this dohe, when a fly sits on jaggery to eat it, it is trapped in it, and its wings are stuck to jaggery. Then it repents a lot, but cannot be free from it. Really, greed is a great trouble. Students, Kabirji has explained in a simple way through dohe has given us the knowledge of practical education. So let us now listen to the dohe of another poet, Tulsidas ji.
तुलसी इस संसार में भांति भांति के लोग, तुलसी इस संसार में भांति भांति के लोग, सबसे हिल मिल चालिए नदी नाव संजोग रे तुलसी नदी नाव संजोग.
तुलसी हाय गरीब की कब हुन खाली जाय, तुलसी हाय गरीब की कब हुन खाली जाय, मुए ढोर के चाम से लोहा भस्म हो जाए रे तुलसी लोहा भस्म हो जाए.
Students, now we understand this dohe. Look at Tulsidas ji's first dohe.
तुलसी इस संसार में भांति भांति के लोग, सबसे हिल मिल चालिए नदी नाव संजोग.
Tulsidas says that there are different kinds of people in the world, so we should live with them together, intimately like a meeting of a river and a boat. Students understand this dohe. Now let's understand the second Tulsidas ji's dohe.
तुलसी हाय गरीब की कबहू न खाली जाए, मुए ढोर के चाम से लोह भस्म हो जाए.
Tulsidas says that a poor person's sigh is never fruitless. The daman made of a dead animal's skin turns iron into ashes. Then how can poor's curse fail? Students, did you understand this dohe? Yes, teacher. Well then, now we will listen to poet Rahim ji's dohe.
रही मन धागा प्रेम का, मत तोड़ो चटका. रही मन धागा प्रेम का, मत तोड़ो चटका. टूटे से फिर ना जुड़े, जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए. रही माँ जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए.
सरोवर फल नहीं खात हैं, सरवर पिए ही न पानी. सरोवर फल नहीं खात हैं, सरवर पिए ही न पानी. कही रहीम पर काज हित, संपत्ति संचही सुजानी. रहीमा संपत्ति संचही सुजानी.
रही मन देखी बड़ेन को, लघु न दीजिए डारी. रही मन देखी बड़ेन को, लघु न दीजिए डारी. जहाँ काम आवे सुई, कहाँ करे तलवारी. रही माँ कहाँ करे तलवारी.
on, students. Now we understand these dohe. Look at the first dohe.
रहीमन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए, टूटे से फिर ना जुड़े, जुड़े गांठ पड़ जाए.
Rahim ji says that please don't cut the thread of love by pulling it, because if once it is cut out, it cannot be joined. Suppose we join it, its knot remains forever. We cannot feel the sweetness in love as before. Students, let's listen to the second dohe of Rahim ji.
तरुवर फल नहीं खात हैं, सरवर पियही न पानी, कही रहीम पर काज हित, संपत्ति संचही सुजानी.
Rahim ji says that a tree never eats its fruits, a lake never drinks its water itself. In this way, gentlemen collect their health only for the welfare of others, not for themselves. See, students, Rahim ji has explained a very good thing through this dohe. Now let's see another dohe.
रहीमन देखी बड़ेन को, लघु न दीजिए डारी, जहां काम आवे सुई, कहा करे तलवारी.
Rahim ji says that please don't neglect common man when you see reputed man, because a sword can do nothing what a needle can do, or a sword fails to do what a needle can do. Students, the thing which can be done by less privileged people, rich people cannot do. That is why the importance of less privileged in society is also important. We should not turn our face from them. Students, did you understand the dohe?
Yes, teacher.
See you soon. Bye bye.